So what we want to do is we want to introduce a product that will help frizzy hair. I'm going to start off by using a product from the Chromastics line called Extreme Serum. This works excellent for this type of thing. I'm eventually using a paddle brush so that the paddle brush will help me to smooth the hair on out and make it flat against the head. After which I put it into the dryer for this particular technique and let it dry straight under the dryer. You can see how much it smooths it out from the beginning where we started to now. We would then apply heat at the base and then work it up gently to the ends, let it sit for a moment or so, and then let it cool. Take all the section on the top and then brush it all together. Use a large roller, in this case a red Velcro, really large. Get it in there with the clip and then let it actually just kind of cool down. We then find triangulated sections going from the sides and we work them around going into the back. Now they can get bigger or smaller. As you can see, I've got yellow in there, that's smaller. And as I've gone along, I've put some red in there, that's bigger and looser. And we want that to be the case as well. Afterwards, you can see what I've got is a really shiny, smooth, great deal of tension on these rollers so that they're going to work. They stay there until they are totally cold. Then I pull them out gently, rubbing them or stroking them with my hands so that I can keep them smooth and shiny before I start to work with them with, in this case, could be this case is a wig brush. It could be a paddle brush if we wanted to, but in this case, it's a wig brush. And I comb through it, softening it out. Look at the difference in texture I have from the beginning.